Welcome to India. Hello everyone, my name is Alejandra Trabanco and I'm the Global Development Manager here at Austral Group. We are currently in New Delhi with a group of executive MBA students from University of Arkansas. Here they're going to do some cultural activities like visiting the Presidential Palace and going to Taj Mahal in Agra. Then we're catching a flight all together to go to Bangalore, where we're visiting companies related to retailing and manufacturing.
The reason we chose India for this academic program is because India is now one of the largest economies in the world. It's certainly the largest country in terms of population, and every company anywhere in the world is trying to do business with India, in India at this point, and having our students get some exposure to the country, to the culture, and to how business is done in India was very important for our programs.
So we want to take them to a destination where they're going to be out of their comfort zone and that they will feel some of the challenges of doing business in an international context. From that point of view, I think India is a tremendous destination. India presents such a very different cultural, economic and religious environment.
I think the most important component of this trip for our students is the ability to do business in an international context. Global immersion programs, there's no better way to teach somebody how to do international business except by taking them to that country, letting them absorb the culture, understand the cultural and business differences between our countries, and then figure out how to go about doing business in that different cultural context.
After this trip, I'm just excited to come back with the culture and just with the experiences. I probably would have never come to India before on my own, so that's something I'm really appreciative about this program, that they were able to take us here. And yeah, just kind of bring that back to my family and friends.
I'd like the students to experience some of the cultural richness and the food and the sights and the sounds and colors of India.
People in India is super friendly, they're very chill and they're also very joyful.
The courtesy and the niceness of the people, everywhere you go, everybody's greeting you, and that's very not the same in the US.
The takeaways from India will be much more than going to any other destination that I can think of. And of course, there's this unique blend of culture and business that the students are going to benefit from.